Hey guys, today I'm really excited because we received this garden kneeler and seat for wind purposes. Let me take it out of the box, and I think that it's really nice because it's quite a heavy-duty garden stool, and I think that it's great because you can kneel really easily without having to hurt your knees for anything by placing them on the ground. You can use this kneeler that has some pads that are really comfortable to be at. Checking that it's really nice, and that way you can be gardening hassle-free. When we open it, we just have to pry it open like this, both of the sides, and that's it. You don't need no kind of tool or anything to set it up. It's this easily, and we get another bag in here, okay? It's this bigger bag that you can take with all your tools, all your gardening tools. Over you're trying to do some repair, you can take it with you if you're to go fishing, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, this bag can be placed in this side and be comfortable at your side with all your tools at hand, which I think it's great. We get the instruction manual with all important information, but let's go ahead and start testing it out, okay? Let's go. You can take it with you when you're gonna go do some gardening, if in case you're gonna go fishing or any kind of travel, which I think that it's really nice. And as it has a 1.6 inches thick EVA material, it provides a really nice comfort and support for your knees, and that way you don't have to be worrying during land tasks, which I think that it's really nice. And if we want to sit with it, we just have to take it out and flip it around so we can use it as a seat rest. If we're outside and we want to take a seat, we can just wait right there, or if we have to do anything that is a little more high, we can still being able to do it, and it's quite comfortable. And closing it, it's really easy. Just have to pull it like this and it will close up with the springs, which that it's really nice. It makes it really easy to take it with you anywhere that you need it. Quite portable and space saving, and I think it's really nice. See you guys.